Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will describe how to transfer calls to another user from the Grandstream GRP2624 IP telephone. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications, and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE, that's 877-255-6633. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. The transfer key is the middle key in the row of 5 buttons just under the display. The transfer key has an icon showing 2 phones, with an arrow between them. There are 2 methods to transfer a call: blind transfer and attended transfer. A blind transfer is when a call is transferred, unannounced, to the intended user. The procedure to make a blind transfer is as follows. While on an active call, press the transfer button. This automatically places the caller on hold. The caller will hear the on hold music. The user who answered the call will receive dial tone back, and a screen that will be ready to display digits. Enter the extension number, or outside number, for the transfer destination. Press the blind transfer soft key in the display to complete the transfer, and hang up the receiver. The phone of the transfer recipient will ring, and they will be immediately connected to the transferred call.
Hello there.
If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to see our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful. An attended transfer is when the transferred call is announced to the intended party. To perform an attended transfer, while on an active call, press the transfer hard key on the phone. The caller will automatically be placed on hold, and will hear the on-hold music. The user who answered the call will receive dial tone back, and the display digits screen will be visible in the display. Enter the extension number, or 10-digit phone number, for the intended transfer destination. Press the attended transfer soft key in the display, and wait for the receiving party to answer the call.
Hello there.
Inform the receiving party of the call.
Do you have time for Justin?
Yes.
If the intended party accepts the call, complete the transfer by pressing the transfer soft key in the display. If the intended user is unavailable to receive the call, or the call goes to voicemail, the call can be retrieved by pressing the cancel soft key in the display, and then the resume soft key to return to the active call. The user on the receiving end of the transfer does not have to do anything, except answer the phone. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.